before we start, maybe there will have some properties of matrix multiplication that you should know. Okay, AB will never be equals to BA. Will never be. Okay, unless right, either A or B is equals to I. Now what is I? I is identity matrix. Usually when we in secondary school, when we do matrices, it will be a square matrix. That means the row and the columns are the same. So I could be in this form, or if you need to have a 3 by 3 matrix, then it will be in this form. Okay, so A, B and BA are never the same. Same thing, if you get a question that involves B squared, please do not just go and square the components, the elements of the matrix. Instead, B squared is actually equals to B times B. That would be equals to 2, 3, negative 1, 1 multiplied by 2, 3, negative 1, 1. Okay, and if you do the matrix multiplication correctly, remember we said the first guy is a row, the second guy is a column. So the first element will be 2 times 2, 4, plus 3 times negative 1, that would be 1. Okay, first row, second column, 2 times 3, 6, okay, plus 3, 9. Then the second row, and then the first column, 2 times negative 1, so this will be negative 3, sorry. Okay, negative 3. And the second row, second column, minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. So this is what you have for B squared. Do not just go and square each element, it is not correct. Okay, now what happens if they ask find the P and Q if all this is equals to 0? Now you realize that this is a 0 with a bow. It means that it is a 0 matrix. It's not just 0, it is a 0 matrix. So B squared plus and PB, okay, plus QI equals to 0. These that are shaded are all matrices. 1, 9, negative 3, negative 2, plus P times of 2, 3, negative 1, 1, plus Q times of I. Remember what I said about I? It is a identity matrix. It looks like it comes in the form of diagonal, okay, with ones. And then this is equals to a 0 matrix. All these are 2 by 2, so a 0 matrix will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, next is I. This is called a scalar. A scalar means a constant that is on the outside. This will multiply into all the elements inside, plus 2p, 3p, negative p, p, plus q, 0, 0, q, equals to all your 0 matrix. Okay, and now when we do addition of all the matrix, each element at the same position will add to each other. Okay, meaning to say 1 plus 2p plus q will be here. 1 plus 2p plus q. Next would be 9 plus 3p. Okay, 9 plus 3p. And then we do all the same, negative 3 minus p, and then the last one will be negative 2 plus p plus q. Okay, so when we have two matrices side by side like that, we do a comparison. Now those that have two variables, very hard to compare. The easiest one would be this, right? Minus 3 minus p is equals to, this is the corresponding element, 0. Hence p equals to negative 3. Okay, then we can use any other of the others. So maybe we use the first one. 1 plus 2 bracket negative 3 plus q. I substitute p into this element over here. Must give you equals to 0. Q equals to 5. Okay, so this is what we do when we have a B square kind of matrix, identity kind of matrix, and we use comparison, okay, to find out the values of the element.